Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. And you did a great job last week, and this week we will learn something about the internet use. So most of you should have received the podcast grades from me. If you have any question, please send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So this week we will have fewer assignments because I want you to take some time to focus on the child interview assignment. This is one of the most important assignments in our course. So this week we have 6 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this introduction video, and the second one is to read the brief introduction of this week's topic. And this is very important. Please read them very carefully. And in the task 3 and task 4, you need to watch a video and read 2 articles. And in the task 5, you need to use Flipgrid to do the reflection. There are some guiding questions to help you share your reflection. And the last thing this week is continue working on the interview assignment. As I mentioned before, this is very important. So please take some time this week to finish this assignment. I hope you will enjoy this. So if you have any question, please send it to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So that's all for this week, and see you next Wednesday. Thank you so much. Bye.